My name's Austin and I'm a blogger. You just... What's up guys, my name's Austin Bryce. I'm sorry.
You had fun? What's up? Oh man, like a blast.
Let us in. Let's go.
Oh look, they went in.
Nobody.
So we made it. We're now on the cruise ship. I would show you, but they got some nasty windows.
Are you right? No, you ain't kidding. You said the truth. Oh, yeah, no, I would have to say. I was thinking, look, they kind of stink. Yeah, that's true.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Gary, Cruise Director again. We'll be starting our guest safety briefing in just a few minutes. Before we get started, we need to take care of some important safety tips. First of all, ensure that you have enough life jackets in your stateroom for the number of guests in your stateroom. If you need additional life jackets, please contact your stateroom steward before today's departure. You do not need to...
Where y'all going?
We're in trouble.
Ladies and gentlemen,
We're late.
this is our crew alert alarm. At this time, all crew members with emergency duties must proceed to their assigned emergency duty stations.
Alright, so welcome to the safety briefing. It hasn't exactly started yet, but there are a couple of rules we do have to go over. First of all, there is no sitting at all during the briefing. There is no talking, and there is no cell phone use. We need you all to pay attention, because this is what you need to know to stay safe in case of an emergency. So it's very important that you pay attention, even though I'm pretty sure all of you know how to talk.
Anything else that will float and assist the person in the water and shout, "Man overboard!" and inform the nearest crew member or dial 911 on the ship's home. And please remember to remain where you are.
know.
And
Heard
wait
you.
for the instruction.
And here.
We knew we were on the wrong floor. We had to find out where to go.
There you go. I got you both. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice. Oh, forgot I didn't have it on. I threw it.
Thank you, Dr. Z. Bye, guys.
Hello.
Come on in.
Oh, I gotta get another battery. I think everybody wants a tour real quick. That's later. I just want to go this way. Everybody's taking a free tour of the spa treatment area real quick. There's nobody back here, so. try that. Treatment 5. Treatment 2. Oh, so it's just a bunch of massage rooms. And then they have the... Oh, there's the gym. It's weird. Oh, they have like the sauna. They have a steam room. Yeah, the sauna. And they have the gym. Hey! I was wondering.
Damn, I was pretty long.
Sorry about that. Look what I found. Oh, the massage. They have a sauna.
Yeah.
They have a steam room. Oh, the gym's right there.
I know they have a massage room for downstairs.
Oh.
For downstairs.
They got all the lockers. Is this where you get a robe? I want a robe.
I want to try to get something.
Oh, nice. So 5 o'clock.
5 o'clock for the John.
5 o'clock for the drawing. I went on the whole tour by myself at that one night spa. Snuck back there. The spa's pretty cool. They have a sauna, a steamer.
They're following you? He came back
He
and got
couldn't
us.
catch me. I didn't even stop. They have there's a steam room, a spa, a sauna.
They need to look at that.
There's another way. Hey, there's another way. Like you can get to the gym back there.
Okay.
I see the gym.
We just got finished eating. And I think we're about to go to the arcade now. Yeah, we're about to go see what this arcade's about. I don't know, we're kind of playing with the